In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a round edge triangle in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for school or preparing a pitch for work, adding unique shapes like our rounded edge triangle can enhance the visual appeal of your slides, giving them a modern and professional look. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have PowerPoint initialized, great. If not, simply find PowerPoint on your desktop or access it from your app menu and open it. Next, you'll want to navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. If you're starting fresh with a new presentation or want to modify an existing one, make sure it's readily accessible. Once you're in your presentation, move your attention to the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. The Insert tab is your gateway to implementing a wide range of elements into your slides, including the shapes we'll be using today. Click on it and you'll spot a button labeled Shapes. Selecting this will open a selection window showcasing different shape options. For now, focus on finding the triangle shape. Don't worry if it seems a bit generic, as we'll be giving it a stylish makeover in no time. After you've selected the triangle, draw it onto your slide by clicking and holding the left mouse button where you want the triangle to appear, and then dragging to your preferred size. Remember, you can adjust the size later, so don't stress too much about precision just yet. With the triangle now added, focus on refining its appearance. Right click on the triangle shape, a menu will appear, look for an option called Format Shape and click on this. This is where we will do most of our styling. You'll notice a right hand panel opening up. This is your Format Shape panel. From this panel, navigate to the line section and check the solid line option. Doing this will ensure that your triangle has a visible outline, which is crucial for the rounding effect we're after. You'll then find a color option under the line section. Use the eyedropper tool here if you'd like the border of the triangle to match the fill color. The eyedropper makes it easy to select matching or specific colors already present on your slide. Now for the magical touch, head over to the joint type settings within the same line section and choose the round option. This is where your triangle transforms from sharp edges to beautifully curved ones. Finally, to ensure the edges are prominently rounded, type in 60 for the width. This value helps accentuate the curve, merging the shape's edges into a continuous, smooth outline. And there you have it, a round edge triangle ready to elevate your PowerPoint presentation. Feel free to customize and experiment with different sizes or line widths to make it truly yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.